I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in every single week for new boat walkthroughs. Do yourself and us a favor. Hit that like button down below, subscribe, turn your notifications on. That way you never miss another walkthrough again. Let's get started.
It's all about humanity. About humanity.
Woo! Boat hair still in full effect. Hands are shaking a little bit. Who here knows that song, I Can't Drive 55? Guess what? Great. In this boat you can, and then some. That reason being the Twin Mercury 250 Verado's back here. Quick out of the hole, very impressive mid-range, and breathtaking top end. Most fun I've had driving a boat all summer, without a doubt. As per usual on the SDX series, you're gonna have a nice lounging area back here, but one thing I'm gonna point out right now, that sun, it's hot. What do you say it is, Land today? 95, 96 degrees, feels like 200 degrees. This white upholstery is still cool to the touch. You're chilling out in the water, everybody's enjoying themselves, you're getting your swim on, getting your drink on. You don't want to jump in a boat every time you want to grab a beverage or change your radio station. That's why right here, you got your fusion controls and a cooler also. Piggybacking off of that white interior back there, you're gonna have that ivory theme throughout the whole boat. White interior, white engines, black hull sides. We named this boat the salt and pepper combination. Push it. Push it real good. Hey, you like that? No? Okay, let's keep going. Starting back here, we're gonna have a lot of functional features on the 290 that aren't available on some of the smaller models. Starting with this ice tray right here, keep your champagne nice and chilled. Also, a sink. Wash your hands, wash your beer off after you drop it in the sand, who cares? Coming down here, we're also gonna have a refrigerator. Keep your sandwiches cold, drinks, whatever, up to you. It goes without saying that there's gonna be more than enough seating on a Sea Ray SDX, especially one of this size. What I'm gonna point out here, something rather new from SeaDek. You've got this nice thick snap-in flooring, nice and easy on the feet, doesn't get too hot, great for the kids, everybody loves it. Win-win, win-win. Of course you need a nice comfortable helm station considering you're probably gonna be holding on for dear life at wide open throttle. On a serious note, when you're paying attention to the more delicate things on the boat, like docking for instance, you do have a joystick feature, which I've really been warming up to lately when moving boats around the marina. They really put captains out of business, and I guess that's why I moved into sales, right guys? Check out the attention to detail that goes into this dash. From the fusion head unit, the beautiful vinyl, the attention to detail once again up here in this artwork on the dash. Fully integrated Simrad unit all the way over here to our Mercury digital throttle shift. Really pleasurable driving experience as the captain. Got the co-captain chair right here. Tell Papa where to go. Of course, nice big head. Also, great attention to detail down there. Doesn't feel like a head on a boat, not too cramped. Everybody nice and comfortable, which is what it's all about. Notice up top here, we've got plenty of shade with a fold down arch if you are clearance challenged. Follow me up here to the way bow. You're gonna notice really nice large seating area. Table that goes down there also. And underneath these seats are all storage too, so they do serve a purpose rather than just being nice to sit on. Up here on the very bow, something that's nice to have, take it from me, who was at the sandbar last weekend on this boat. Automatic anchor hauler, or a windlass as we call it, makes things that much easier. Save your back, even for a young fella like me. Well guys, it's been fun, it's been real fun, and I would love nothing more than to have you come enjoy this fine vessel with me. Once again, I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax at St. Petersburg. Until next time, I'm signing off. Bye guys. Woo-hoo-hoo!